Your glass of milk begins on a dairy farm with a cow. The cow is milked with a milking machine. The milk is collected and stored on the farm in a bulk tank. The milk is picked up by a special milk truck and transported to the milk processing plant. The milk is tested to ensure it is safe. The milk is pasteurized and packaged. It is then delivered to the store where it is sold. Finally, it finds its way to your refrigerator. Can you put the pictures in the correct order? 1. The cow on the farm. 2. Milking the cow. 3. Storing the milk in the bulk tank. 4. The milk truck comes every 1 to 2 days to pick up the milk. 5. The milk processing plant. 6. Testing the milk to ensure it's safe. 7. Pasteurizing and packaging the milk. 8. Delivering the milk to the grocery store. 9. Taking that milk home to your refrigerator where you can enjoy a cold glass of milk. Thank you for participating.